Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch. Now let's hope this video works okay, because I just started recording this and it cut out after about a minute. And yeah, anyway, in this video I'm comparing chicken burgers. I've got the Asda Just Essentials 8 breaded chicken burgers for £1.50 and the Bird's Eye 8 chicken burgers for, wait for it, £3.50. Huge difference in price. Will there be a huge difference in taste? Now, not only is this cheaper, it's also a bigger bag. This is 456 grams and this one is only 400 grams. Plus, the price per kilo, Just Essentials £3.29 a kilo, Bird's Eye £8.75 a kilo. I know. Right, this is the Just Essentials one, which you can see I've already cut in half, and that's what it looks like. And here's the Bird's Eye one, or half of the Bird's Eye one, which again I've cut in half. Now look, you can see how thin that Bird's Eye one looks, but the Bird's Eye is slightly bigger diameter. But overall, these Bird's Eye ones are smaller. I've also put one of each in a bun with lettuce and mayo. So I've got 4 burgers for my lunch here. And the buns I've used, if you're interested, are Warburton's. Good old Warburton's soft white rolls. And it's Heinz mayo. Right, let's try the Asda Just Essentials one first. That's what that looks like. Texture's okay, although it's obviously reformed chicken. It is it's not too mushy, but there's hardly any taste to it. There's hardly any taste whatsoever. I'd be amazed if there's any seasoning in this at all. Well, straight away, I can tell you I wouldn't buy them again. Straight away. There's hardly any taste whatsoever. Right, I've got a glass of water here to cleanse my palate. But I don't think I need to have any, because I don't need to cleanse it of anything, because I've got no taste in my mouth. Right, the Bird's Eye. Bird's Eye chicken burgers. Now, I've had a look on the ingredients to see what this... why is it that colour? And it's because it's got paprika in the ingredients. Whether you'll be able to taste that, I don't know, but let's have a go. That's better. That is much better. You can taste the chicken. It's definitely more seasoned. In fact, I'm gonna check the amount of salt in these, because that Bird's Eye one has definitely got more salt in it. Where are we? Salt, 0.33 grams per 100 for the Just Essentials. Bird's Eye, 0.7. Yeah, so just over twice as much salt in them, and you can tell. You really can. Oh yeah, they're nice. I like them. Right, I've got to have another taste of the Just Essentials just to see how tasteless it is. Would a bit of salt actually help? I wonder. Let's put a little bit of salt on it. There, well, quite a lot of salt. All I can taste now is salt. That's not a pleasant thing at all. That really isn't. That's a real shame, because the Asda Just Essentials beef burgers are really nice. I've reviewed them and I've since bought a few boxes of them because they're so good. Even though, yes, they've gone up in price, as everything has, they're still really good value. I think they're $2.15 now for a box of, I think you get 10 in there. Anyway, you can have a look, you can have a look. But yeah, so let's try them with lettuce, mayo and bread. All I'm going to be able, this is just the Just Essentials one, all I'm going to be able to taste is lettuce, mayo and bread, isn't it? Yeah. What a lovely lettuce and mayo roll that is. Okay, let's try the bird's eye. This is going to be better, isn't it? Yeah. You can actually taste the burger in that. It's not a strong taste, but you can taste it. That's much more pleasant, that really is. Now the question is, would I buy either of these again? Asda Just Essentials chicken burgers, £1.50. I wouldn't buy them again because they've got virtually no taste. How I'm going to get through the rest of them, I don't know. Put suggestions down below, please, what I can do with these to pimp them up. I know I can make burgers and I can put cheese and onions and all sorts of sauces in, but I'm still not going to be able to taste the burger, am I? So, no, I wouldn't buy those again. Bird's Eye chicken burgers, £3.50. Would I buy these again? I don't think I would because they're so expensive. Yes, they're nice burgers, but they are so pricey. So pricey. I'll get through them and I'll enjoy them. They're good. But I will look out, once I've finished this box, I will look out for them being on a special offer somewhere. Because if I see them on offer for lesser, considerably less than £3.50, I would buy them because they're a good product. Right, have you tried either of them? What do you think of them? I know there's better chicken burgers out there, but I wanted to compare the cheapest with the premium brand and see how they compared. And the premium brand wins on quality of the product, but not on price. Okay, I've now got 2 burgers to eat. Or most of 2 burgers to eat. I know what I'm going to do. Right, here we go. Here we go. I'll show you what I've done here. I've put the other half of the Just Essentials there, the other half of the Bird's Eye there. I'll stick that on top and I will eat that like that. And I've got one little bit of Bird's Eye left. So I've got one to eat with just the Asda Just Essentials. one to eat with, like that. Half of Just Essentials and 1.5 bird's eye. Right, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to go and eat them, and I will see you in the next video.